Good morning, students. Again I came. So previously I explained you graphical method of pair of linear equation with two variables. Today I will explain you algebraic method. So algebraic method is of three types. First method is your substitution method. Second method is your elimination method, and third method is your cross multiplication method. So I will explain you one by one with suitable. We are going to discuss about substitution method for solving pair of linear equation in two variables. So here I am writing two equations. Any equation you can write. So these are the linear equation with two variables. Now we are going to solve it. How we are going to solve it? First I will explain you. So look at our first equation and second equation. So from these two equations, you have to select any one equation. You can select your first equation also. You can select your second equation also. If I am selecting my first equation, then after that I have to find the value of x in terms of y or the value of y in terms of x. So here I am going to find the value of x in terms of y. See, so here I am writing to find the value of x in terms of 1. I will explain you both the cases. So this is my first equation. Let's take this equation as equation 1. This equation is your 2. So from this equation I have to find the value of x in terms of y. So 3y will go to this side. So here I will write 13 minus 3y. Then here 2x is there. I have to find the value of x. So 2 will divide here. So 13 minus 3y upon 2. Let's take this equation as equation 3. You got your value x in terms of y. After that, I have to substitute the value of x in equation 2. So here I can write now by substituting the value of x in equation 2. So equation 2 is what? 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. So here I have to substitute. In place of x, I have to write this value. So 4 into 13 minus 3y upon 2 minus 5y is equal to 23. Then here 2, 4 cancel, here 2, and look at here, bracket is there, means you have to multiply 2 in both the terms. So here 26 minus 6y minus 5y is equal to 23. And look at here, these are like terms. Sorry, this one is your plus. So these are like terms. So arrange it properly and write in one place minus 6y plus 5y, and this 26 will come to that side, minus 26 plus 23. So here minus 6y plus 5y, minus y will come, and here also 26 is greater, that means minus 3 will come, minus minus cancel, and you got your value of y is 3. After that, again you have to put the value of y in equation 3. So by putting the value of x in equation 3. So equation 3, x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Okay, equation 3. So here I have to put 13 minus 3 into y is 3 divided by 2 is equal to 13 minus 9 by 2. 4 by 2 is your 2. Okay, so you got your value x is 3 and y is equal to 2. Understood, students? First, you have to find out the value of x in terms of y. Then after, you have to substitute the value of x in equation 2. After that again, you have to substitute the value of y in equation 3. Then after, you get your value x and y. Then, after that, in the same equation, I have to find the value of y in terms of x. So here, to find y in terms of x. So I am going to write both the equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 30 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Like the same only, this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. So here you have to find the value of y in terms of x. So from my equation 1, I have to find the value of y in terms of x. So 3y is equal to 2x will come on RHS side, 13 minus 2x Then y is equal to 3 will divide here. 13 minus 2x divided by 3. Let's take this equation as equation 3. So here you got your value of y in terms of x. Again in the same process you have to substitute the value of y in equation 2. So here write down by substituting the value of y in equation 2. So equation 2 is 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. So 4x plus 5y. So in place of y I have to write 13 minus 2x divided by 3 is equal to 23. Generally, here students are making mistake. They are taking directly 3 to that side. You cannot take directly 3 to that side because this is not whole open. So what I have to do? I have to take LCM of both. First here I can write 4x and 5 is your outside bracket, means I have to multiply first. So 13 5 is 65 minus 10x divided by 3 is equal to 23. Again take the LCM 3. So 4 3s are 12, 12x plus 65 minus 10x is equal to 23. So this is 12x and this one minus 10x. I have to arrange and plus 65 and 3 will be go here. So 3 into 23. 12x minus 10x is how much? 2x plus 65 is equal to 69. Then 2x is equal to 69 minus 65 and 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. You got your value of x. After that, you have to put the value of x in equation 3. So, here by putting the value of x in equation 3. So y becomes 13 minus 2 into, what is the value of x? 2. 2 divided by 3. So 13 minus 4 by 3. So 9 by 3 is your 3. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. In both the cases, you are getting the same value. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So this is very easiest method You have to practice. In this way, you can solve pair of linear equation with two variables by substitution method. Thank you for watching my video. See you in next class.